Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and properly iron a pair of jeans. Now, what we're going to need is your ironing board, your steam iron preset to a high temperature, your jeans nice and dry, and a spray bottle of water. Ideally, it's deionized water with no impurities in. If you have a water filter, get water out of the water filter. But basically, if you can use the cleanest water possible, it means you're not going to get residue on your iron or in your garments. So we're going to start off. Give the dry jeans a nice spritz all over. Jeans are heavy cotton, so wetting the jeans, damping the jeans makes them much easier to work with. Now, when your jeans are dark colored like this, the heat from the iron can fade the jeans. So the first thing we're going to do is turn them inside out. If you iron the reverse of the jeans, it protects the outside coloring. So that's job one. Job number two, lay it flat. And you'll see there's two seams. There's an outer seam and an inner seam on the leg. Lay the leg flat with the pocket facing up, the inner pocket facing up. We're going to iron underneath that. Then all we do, flatten the leg down with your fingers. You're checking underneath to make sure there's no creases on the lower fold. So once you're happy with that, get the steam going on the iron, start from the ankle and work your way up the leg. Now don't go all the way to the edge because you don't want to iron heavy creases into the sides of your jeans either. Flip it over, put your thing down, flip it and reverse it, and the same on the other side. Crotch, back pocket. Now I didn't go all the way up to the waistband because you've got your pocket underneath and we're going to tackle that next. So the back of the seat of the jeans, back of the seat of the jeans, you're going to stretch over the pointy end of the ironing board. So you're just dealing with the outside edge. You're not ironing the pocket inside because that can ruffle up and cause extra creasing. Just watch the rivets. You don't want to be ironing over your rivets, you'll scratch the sole plate of your iron. While you're here, move to the other back pocket at the same time and just get that while you're in the area. And the pocket nice and flat, and the seat and the top of the thigh. And then we're going to do the whole second leg. Again, just take your time, make sure the leg is nice and flat, just use your fingers, line up the seam, this time it's facing towards you. Again, you're going to start at the ankle, work your way up and under the pocket. So, start at the ankle, work your way up, through the knee, to the crotch, under the pocket. And that's that. Reach your hand right down to the ankle, inside, turn them back to face the right way out, and then to fold them, we're going to hold them by the waistband at either side, give them a shake so they're hanging nice and flat, fold them edge to edge, and then lay them flat on the ironing board. We don't want to hang them away straight away because they'll still be a little bit damp, a little bit warm. So we just take a wooden hanger, hang them on the wooden hanger, and leave them hanging outside of the wardrobe to air for about an hour. So that's your jeans, quickly and properly ironed. inside out so that they're so that you're protecting the colour on the outside. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions for alternative techniques or anything that you don't understand or you'd like me to explain, please fire into the comments and I'll do my best to answer all your comments and questions. Till next time, take care, see you soon.